Hey everyone, so here's how to use AI to write a cover letter. Writing a good cover letter is crucial to land you a job, and using the help of AI will make sure that your cover letter is up to the mark. So first of all, open up your browser. After that, click on the search bar and search for ChatGPT. Now, from the results, click on the first link shown here, which is for the official website of ChatGPT. And once you're in the ChatGPT website, all you need to do is click on Start Now. Now, click on the message box on the bottom. Then type in Write me a cover letter for, and after that, you will need to copy the job description of the job that you're trying to apply for. So, we will head over to the website where we're applying for the job. So this is the sample job that I'll be using to demonstrate to you guys. From this page, just copy the entire job description. So I will select the entire text and copy it. And once you're done copying, head over to the ChatGPT tab. And after that, paste the job description and hit enter. Now ChatGPT will generate the customized cover letter. You can also add additional details such as your resume or additional details or prompts to customize your cover letter according to your preference. And as you can see, ChatGPT has generated a really good cover letter. All you need to do is fill in the blank spaces, or if you provide your resume, ChatGPT will fill in the details for you. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.